Hello dear children, today we are back again with our solution of the homework which I have given you in the reasoning based problem time and work. So today we will start with the question number 1. A does a work in 10 days and B does the same work in 15 days. In how many days they together will do the same work? Okay. Now see, we have already done this type of sums several times. Now we will revise it again. So, first step, as I told you, A and B are doing the same work. A is doing in 10 days, B is doing in 15 days. So first step, as I told, that we will find that in one day both of them will do how much part. Okay, so let's do that. A does the work in 10 days is equal to one part, isn't it? One part means the whole work. So A is doing the whole work in 10 days. On the other way, we are calling it A does the work in 10 days, one part, because we want to know how much work is done by A in only one day. So let's find it out. Therefore A does the work in one day. Whatever the work done is done by A in 10 days. Definitely in one day he will do or she will do much less than that. Okay. So 1 by 10 part. 1/10 of the previous. Okay. Now for B, as I told, the same way we will apply everywhere. So B does the work in 15 days is equal to one part, because B is completing the work in 15 days. So in 15 days he is doing one part. Therefore B does the work in one day. As I told, every time we will find that how much work are they doing in only one day. Okay, so whatever he was doing in 15 days, in one day he will do 1/15 of that, much less than one part. Okay, so we will divide it and 1 by 15 part will be done by B in one day. Okay, now next part, A and B together do the work in one day. Now see, A is doing in one day 1 by 10 part, B is doing the work in one day 1 by 15 part. Okay, now A and B together can do the work in one day. We will add these two. Okay, so 9 by 60, this part is done by A and B together in one day. Okay, now in the question it is written in how many days they together will do the same work. Okay, so they are doing in one day 9 by 60 part. The same work means the whole work, whatever they were doing individually. Okay, means we have to find that if A and B work together, then how long they will take to do one part, means the whole work. Okay, let's write it. I'm rubbing it just because I don't have enough space for writing. Now we will write it in this way, that A and B together can do 9 by 60 part in one day, isn't it? So what we have to find? How long they will take to complete the task, means how many days they will need to do the whole work if they work together. So A plus B or A and B together can do one part in 1 divided by 9 by 60. Now what we have to do? 1 into 60 by 9. 60 and 9 both can be reduced by 3 first. So 20 divided by 3 days. Okay. So this is the way of doing this sum. This is the simplest sum of this chapter time and work. Now let's come to the next question. Now in question number 2 it is written, A can finish a work in 18 days. B can do the same work in half of the time taken by A. Then working together, what part of the same work they can finish in a day? This sum is a little bit different than the previous one. So here it is written A can finish the work in 18 days. So we will write in this way, A can do in 15 days is equal, in 18 days is equal to 1 part. Therefore, A can do in 1 day, as I told that whoever the name is given, whatever the time is given, we have to find that in 1 day what part will they do. So in one part is done by A in 18 days. So in 1 day they will do much less, 1 by 18th, 1/18. Okay. So B can do the work in how many days? It is written already in the question that B is doing the work in half of the time taken by A. So A is doing in 18 days the complete work. So B will do the work in half of the days taken by A. So 18 divided by 2 days. Okay. So in 9 days B will do the task. Now again the same thing. B can do in 9 days is equal to 1 part. Therefore, B can do in 1 day 1 by 9 part. Okay. Now in the question it is written that what part can be done in 1 day if they work together. Okay. So A is doing in 1 day 1 by 18 part. B is doing in 1 day 1 by 9 part. Okay. So if they work together, what part will be finished? Let's do it. A and B can do in 1 day is equal to 1 by 18 plus 1 by 9. So what's coming? 18. 3 by 18. We will reduce it by 3. So 1 by 6 part. So if A and B work together, they will do in 1 day 1 by 6th of the whole work. Okay. So this was a little bit different than the question number 1. So let's come to the next question. Now in question number 3 it is written, a tire has 2 punctures. The first puncture alone would have made the tire flat in 9 minutes and the second will take 6 minutes to make it flat. If the air leaks out at a constant rate, how long does it take if both the punctures together to make it flat? This sum is quite same as the question number 1. Okay. In that question it was written A is doing a task in a specific number of days. B is doing in a specific number of days. If they work together, how long they will take to complete the work. Okay. But now here just instead of A and B, here 2 tires are given. Okay. And both the tires have punctures. Okay. And they are trying to make the tire flat. Okay. And there the specific time is given that the first tire is taking the time 9 minutes to make the tire flat and the second tire is taking 6 minutes to make the tire flat. Okay. Now let's write just like the same as the first one. The first tire the first puncture make the tire flat in 9 minutes, and the second puncture make the tire flat in 6 minutes. Okay, so therefore the first puncture make the tire flat in 1 minute. What? In 9 minutes it is making flat the tire. So in 9 minutes it is making flat one part. Okay, so in 1 minute how long will it take? 1 by 9 part. Let's write it again in another way. In first one, okay, 9 minutes, the part which is getting flat is equal to 1 part. Therefore, in 1 minute, the part which is getting flat, in 9 minutes it's completely making the tire flat. So in 1 minute it will do 1 by 9 part. Again for the second one, in 6 minutes the part which is getting flat is 1 part. Therefore in 1 minute definitely 1 by 6 part will be flattened. Okay, now if both the punctures are kept together, then how long will it take to make it flat? So for the first and the second puncture will make the tire flat in 1 minute. That is what we have to find, that in 1 minute what part of the tire will be flattened. Okay, so 1 by 9 plus 1 by 6, that is 5 by 18 part. So 5 by 18 part is flattened in 1 minute by tire 1 and tire 2. Okay, therefore how long will it take to make it completely flat? That is what we have to find. 1 divided by 5 by 18 minute, that is 18 divided by 5 minute. Okay, now let's come to the next question. Now in question number 4 it is written that A, B and C can complete a piece of work in 24, 6 and 12 days respectively. Means A is doing the task, A is doing the whole work, means one part in 24 days, B is doing one part in 6 days and C is doing one part in 12 days. Working together they will complete the same work in how many days? Just this type of sum is done in the first one. There 2 people are given and here 3 people are given. Now let's write. The procedure is completely same. A can do in 24 days is equal to 1 part. Therefore A can do in 1 day 1 by 24 part. Similarly for B, B can do in 6 days 1 part. So B can do in 1 day 1 by 6. Okay. Now C can do in 12 days is equal to 1 part. Therefore C will do in 1 day. In 12 days she is completing or he is completing the task. So in 1 day he will do 12th of that. Okay. Now A, B and C, if all of these persons are working together, they will together do in one day how much task? We can find it out. 1 by 24 for A, 1 by 6 for B and 1 by 12 for C. Okay, so let's do it. 7 by 24 part is done by A, B and C together if they work for one day only. So what is the question given? That how long they will take to complete the task. Okay, complete the task means to do the whole work, means to do the one part of the work. So 7 by 24 part can be done by A, B and C in one day. Therefore, one part can be done in 1 divided by 7 by 24, that is 24 divided by 7 day. Okay. So in this way, this sum can be done where the 3 persons are given. Okay. Where in case 2 persons, we have already done several times that what we have to do in case of 2 persons. Here 3 persons are given. Now we have come to know that the procedure is exactly same. Only the number of persons has been increased. Now let's come to the next question. Now in question number 5 it is written, a man can do a job in 15 days, his father takes 20 days and his son finishes it in 25 days. How long will they take to complete the job if they work together? Means, just like the previous one, there instead of a man, his father and his son, in the last sum it was given A, B and C. Just like that. Okay. So, let's write a man, or we will write the man can do in 15 days one part. Therefore, man can do in one day. As I told, whoever it is doing, we must have to find in one day how much work they will do. His father can do in 20 days. Again one part. His father can do in one day 1 by 20 part. His son can do in 25 days one part. So, therefore his son will do in one day 1 by 25 part. Again the same rule. If man, his father and his son is working together, then they will do in one day 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 25. Okay. (47 by 300). So this part can be done by the man, his father and his son in one day if they work together. Okay. So what we have to find? That if they are working together, how long they will take to complete the task? Means together 47 by 300 part is done in one day. Therefore, complete work means one part is done in 1 divided by 47 by 300 days. So, 300 divided by 47 days. Okay. So, this is the time which is needed if the man, his father and his son works together. Okay. Now, the homework which was based on time and work in video 1 is already done. The solution of those homework. Okay, so some more homeworks I will give after this video. Just see for that. and the next video, in my next video, we will solve all the sums or all the homeworks which were given on time and work in the video 2 of time and work. Okay, so bye for today. Stay safe at your home. Keep practicing.